Want a simple way to transform your body? Imagine a routine that takes just a few minutes of your day but offers a multitude of benefits. Look no further than the mighty push-up. This classic exercise has stood the test of time for a reason. Just 15 reps a day can unlock incredible changes. It sounds easy, right? That's because it is. But don't let its simplicity fool you. No fancy gym memberships or equipment needed. You can do push-ups anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in the park, or even on vacation, all you need is a little space and your own body weight. Let's dive in and discover the amazing benefits that await. Push-ups are a full body workout. They engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. This journey is about feeling healthier and stronger from the inside out. As you progress, you'll notice improvements in your posture, increased muscle tone, and a boost in your overall fitness level. It's about building a better version of yourself, one push-up at a time. Each rep brings you closer to your goals, whether it's gaining strength, losing weight, or simply feeling more confident in your own skin. Are you ready to unleash your inner strength? Let's get started. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and soon you'll see the incredible transformation that just 15 push-ups a day can bring. So, what are you waiting for? Drop down and give me 15. Push-ups are like magic for your muscles. They target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, building strength and definition. Think of each push-up as laying a brick, constructing a more powerful you. As you push up and lower down, you're engaging multiple muscle groups at once. This compound exercise is super effective for building upper body strength. Don't be surprised if you start noticing your clothes fitting a bit differently. Good posture is key for a confident and healthy you. Push-ups are fantastic for improving your posture. They strengthen your core and back muscles, which helps you stand taller and straighter. Imagine walking into a room with your head held high and shoulders back. That's the power of good posture, and push-ups can help you achieve it. Say goodbye to slouching and hello to a more confident you. Feeling tired and sluggish, push-ups can boost your energy levels. These mighty exercises improve your cardiovascular health, making your heart and lungs stronger. When your cardiovascular system is in tip-top shape, you can power through your day with ease. Everyday activities become less tiring, and you'll have more energy for the things you love. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's amazing for your mind too. Push-ups release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that elevate your mood and reduce stress significantly. Feeling stressed or down? Try squeezing in a few push-ups right now. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel afterward. Trust us. A healthier body leads to a happier mind and a brighter day. Ready to master the perfect push-up? Here's your step-by-step guide to achieving flawless form and maximizing your workout efficiency. Push-ups are a fundamental exercise that can be done anywhere and are excellent for building upper body strength, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Let's break it down into simple, manageable steps. Start on all fours. Position yourself on your hands and knees, ensuring that your body is aligned and ready for the next steps. This initial setup is crucial for maintaining balance and stability throughout the exercise. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This hand placement helps distribute your weight evenly and engages the right muscle groups. Make sure your fingers are spread out to provide a solid base of support. Extend your legs back so your body forms a straight line from head to heels. This plank position is essential for a proper push-up. Engage your core muscles to keep your body straight and prevent your hips from sagging or rising too high. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest grazes the floor. Lower yourself in a controlled manner, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. This ensures that you are targeting the chest muscles effectively while also protecting your shoulders. Push yourself back up to the starting position, engaging your chest and triceps. As you push up, exhale and focus on using your chest and triceps to lift your body. This upward movement should be smooth and controlled, avoiding any jerky motions. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. Engaging your core not only helps maintain proper form, but also provides additional stability and support for your lower back. This helps protect your lower back and ensures proper form. A strong core is the foundation of many exercises, and maintaining core engagement during push-ups will enhance your overall strength and performance. Practice these steps regularly, and you'll be on your way to mastering the perfect push-up in no time. Happy training. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes with push-ups. Push-ups are a fundamental exercise that can build strength and endurance, but only if done correctly. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Sagging hips. This happens when your core isn't engaged, causing your lower back to dip. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. This ensures that your spine is neutral and your muscles are working efficiently. Partial range of motion. Many people don't go low enough, which limits the effectiveness of the exercise. Lower your body all the way down until your chest grazes the floor. This full range of motion engages more muscle fibers, leading to better strength gains. Flaring elbows. When your elbows flare out, it puts unnecessary strain on your shoulders. Keep your elbows slightly tucked in, not flared out to the sides. This position protects your shoulders and engages your triceps more effectively. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll get the most out of your push-ups and reduce the risk of injury. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer push-ups with perfect form than many with poor form. Consistency is key. Practice regularly, and over time, you'll see improvements in your strength and endurance. Push-ups are a versatile exercise that can be done anywhere, so make them a part of your routine. Whether you're at home, in the park, or at the gym, push-ups are a great way to stay fit. So keep pushing, stay focused, and don't let these mistakes hold you back. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Start with a number of push-ups that feels challenging but achievable for you. Maybe you can only do 5 push-ups on day 1. That's perfectly okay. Celebrate those 5 reps and keep striving for more. Consistency is key, so find a rhythm that works for you and stick with it. Every push-up you complete is a victory. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small it may seem. Did you do 1 more push-up today than yesterday? That's incredible. Tracking your progress can be incredibly motivating. It allows you to look back and see how far you've come. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single push-up. Staying motivated is key to achieving your fitness goals. Find a workout buddy, put on some upbeat music, or track your progress to stay inspired. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Visualize yourself feeling healthier, stronger, and more confident. You've got this. Congratulations on embarking on this transformative journey. By incorporating just 15 push-ups into your daily routine, you're taking a powerful step towards a healthier and happier you. Embrace the changes you see and feel, both physically and mentally. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing, keep striving, and enjoy the incredible benefits that come with a stronger, more resilient you.